Greetings everyone. In this video I will be installing Windows 10. You can always search online for the minimum system requirements. Since I'll be taking Windows 10 Pro at processor greater than 1 gigahertz, right? We're using 4 GB of RAM, right? Although minimum is 2, hard disk 20 GB in my virtual machine. To begin, first of all, I'm opening VMware workstation here. Click on create a new virtual machine. We'll be doing typical installation. Click on next. Then I'll be choosing the third radio button. It says I will install the operating system later on. If I had the operating system on a DVD ROM, I would have chosen the first option. I can choose the second option, but some of the steps will be missing as VMware will do the installation automatically at certain stages. I do not wish to miss out on any of the screenshots. That's why I'm choosing I will install operating system later, which will create a blank virtual machine. Like I've mentioned, I'll be installing Windows 10 64-bit. Can give a name to my virtual machine. Location, which I'll leave it as default. You can choose any name for the virtual machine. I'll just use Windows 10 x64 for now. Okay, next it says specify the disk capacity. I use a minimum of 20 for this particular scenario. Since I do not wish to move this virtual machine to any other computer, I'll choose the first radio button. Store virtual disk as a single file. The next step, we can customize the hardware for virtual machine. This is where I plan to insert my ISO image for Windows 10. So this particular file is stored on my hard drive, so I can pick from there. To speed up the process a little bit, I'll just make this quad-core machine. And then I'll click on finish. You can see that Windows 10 64-bit machine has been created. Now we'll click on play this virtual machine. So over here it says press any key to continue. Let's ensure before all the dots finish off. Press any key to continue with the installation. Right, so we have got a Windows setup wizard in front of us. Right, asking us to choose the language, time, and keyboard settings. We'll leave that as default. Click on next. This particular step, you are required to choose the operating system you want to install. Certain ISOs will be having a number of options, but for now we have got one. Can click on next. Next we have got the license agreement. If you want, you can read through. You will need to accept this license. If you do not, you will not be able to proceed with the installation. Next it says where do you want to install Windows. Right, I have allocated 20 GB of space. That first of all, let's create partition. If you want to divide this particular virtual hard drive, you can give insert size over here. Click on apply. For now, I'll just use the default size. Click on apply. Okay, let's choose the primary type. In this case, it's 19.4 GB. The others has been given in for the system and recovery. Format. Click on OK. It has been formatted. Click on next. I can see the different stages of installation over here. It's gonna take some time depending on the speed of your machine. Now the machine is rebooting. Yes, so here we can go ahead with personalizing our machine. Let's use the express settings for now. Here something went wrong. We cannot sign you at the moment. Okay, we'll skip the step to sign in. You can do that after installation. It's over here. We can create a user account. Right, so who's gonna use this PC and put down your name over here, and then you can have a password. This completes our Windows 10 installation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.